In this episode, we discuss about the M50 Antos and its strange US military service. The word Antos means in Greek the thing. The vehicle was predominantly used by the US Marine Corps. It was mostly deployed during the Vietnam War and only 300 vehicles were built in its service life. Today, the Antos is an extremely rare vehicle due to only very few survived its service life. The Antos was equipped with 6 106mm recoil-sense rifles that had the ability to shoot high-explosive anti-tank or anti-personnel rounds. Additionally, 4 50 cal M8C spotting machine guns were used for aiming its cannons, plus 1 additional M19 A4 Browning 30 cal for anti-personnel usage. She was originally equipped with a General Motors 302 inline V6 liquid-cooled engine that produced 145 horsepower. Later, she got an upgrade with the Chrysler HT361-318 V8 liquid-cooled engine of 180 horsepower. After the events of the Korean War in the 50s, the US military sought out to create a lightweight tank destroyer, able to be deployed with airborne troops while maintaining high firepower. The results were the M56 Scorpion and the M50 Antos. The M56 was designated to the airborne, while the M50 Antos was deployed with the US Marine Corps. It is best to note the Antos was unfavorable with the Army, but the Marines saw potential due to its small size and the ability to get in spaces where larger tanks couldn't be deployed. Ironically enough, the Antos saw no tank-on-tank action. The vehicle entered service in 1956. The weapon quickly proved to be an excellent infantry support in the jungles of Vietnam, even caused the Viet Cong and North Vietnamese army forces to generally avoid it. Its major shortcomings were its weak armor against rocket-propelled grenades and landmines. Its major highlight of its service was during the Battle of Hue City during the 1968 Tet Offensive. 1st Battalion of the 6th Marines Regiment was pinned down by Communist Vietnamese forces in the city. The Antos provided critical direct fire support. Eventually, the US military continued its service up to 1980 until it ran out of spare parts. Overall, the Vietnam-era tank destroyer that saw more service as an effective infantry support weapon. Please like and subscribe for more future content.